Hey everyone, welcome to NanoCoders. This is your instructor Ziyam. In the previous episode, we covered how to set up Figma and learn the basics of its interface. In this episode, we are going to design our first real screen inside Figma, a simple and modern login screen for our mobile app. So open up your Figma project and let's get started. Okay. So here you can see my screen. I have I have 4 screens within. I have homepage, product details, checkout and confirmation thing. So as our today's topic, we are going to create an login screen. So first of all, let's move these out. We will put it out somewhere here, and in the file section, let's create a new page named login. Okay. So now we will just simply need to press F, and then we will pick iPhone 14 Plus or 13 and 14. So I'm going to pick the 13 and 14 screen, as you can see on the screen. So this will be our main artboard. So rename it to login screen or something like that. I will rename it to login screen. Okay. So we have a simple only white background. So now let's add simply setting it Let's start by setting a background color. Select the frame, go to right panel, as you can see in my right panel, and then I will change the fill color to soft gray, or let's make it a soft gradient color. Let's go with some sort of, let's see, okay. So I'm wondering about this color, some sort of this is the color. Okay, I have my screen. By simply pressing Ctrl, you can zoom in and zoom out your screen, and just simply press Shift 1, so it will be on your all focus will be on your main screen. Now let's go into our step 3 of this process. We will simply add an logo to it by simply doing it into we will simply select or just pick an text, let's say text tool app or some sort of that name. So in my thing, I will press T, just simply press T, then you will add that. I'm adding nano login. So as you can see, I have put it there. Now I will change it into, let's say, Irish, and I will change it into, I will change the spacing by 24, and as you can see, we have our name, or just simply say that we have our logo or some sort of that. Now let's add that welcome. Okay, now simply press T, or just simply copy it down by simply pressing Ctrl D on my command D. Let's say I have taken this, Ctrl D, command D. You can press anywhere you want on any system. Now let's say I want to say that welcome back. As you can see, I will simply do it in the center, and nano login and center too. So we have this in our center. Now what steps do we need now? So now we need to add, like, let's say input Yeah, we will obviously we need the input things. We will now create an input field for it. Now how will we create that? First of all, let's move it up. Let's make it a little big. Let's say I want it 36. I will just simply do this thing. Okay, now we need to create an input fields for our login or and registration. Let's pick our rectangle. We will need to create it like some sort of this. Now we will go to let's say we will also need to remove the background, like the border of it, and we will do the radius of it into 12 or somewhere 12 pixel, or yeah, 12 pixel works for me. Okay, now I need to remove the border. How will I do that? I will simply go and click on it, then I will have this thing, then I will just simply pick an lighter color like this, then I will simply duplicate this, and also we need some sort of these things also, like let's say this is transparency. As you can see on this page I have multiple things, then I can also switch it into the gradient. Let's say I have dotted patterns and then image, videos, and these things. So for now we shouldn't do that. Now we will say email, or let's say email address, or yes, address. Now we don't need this much bold or this much thing. We will just simply do it till 16, some sort of 16, and then we will change the font of it. We will change it into about 2 and make it a little bit, let's say medium. Yeah, now I want this and my outer frame to be grouped. I have grouped them, as you can see on the left panel. I have grouped them. Now if I want to move it, I will just simply move it. For now, let's say this is my screen. So there's a lot of spacing we need, or something we need. Okay, so now we need to do this thing. We will also need to add some sort of text in it. Now I need to do the password thing. Okay, so now this is our password. Now what do we need else? Like I have just simply duplicated it and we got the fields for me. Now we need an login buttons that actually works. Okay, how will we do that? Simply press Shift A to get onto your main screen. Now I will press R and I will simply do this. I don't need such big button. I will zoom in and then I will make the radius to somewhere 12, or let's say 8 pixel works, 8 things works. Okay, now we see, and now we will put like login. Okay, now we need to add something more like attractive, and we need to do something like, let's say purple, or let's say blue, some sort of that. Or let's say I want to pick this blue color, some sort of, yeah, this one not, this isn't good. Yes, this one works now. Okay, so now we need to also add an effects to make it stand out. Just simply press, then also add the drop shadow, and now add soft shadow. you can see like soft background blur, noise, texture, or else we can say layer blur. Okay, now this one works. Okay, now we need to do one thing. Okay, blur, and I will spread it a little, let's say not much, yeah, till 5. You can pick that up. Now it's the step 6. I have divided into 6 steps. That's really easy and it will help you out. Okay, so as you can see our screen, we have done these things. Okay, now let's add a smaller thing like in the last text bottom at the bottom. We don't want it to be such empty. Okay, now let's add don't have account. Let's say don't have an account. It's an user query that if we doesn't have an account, then he can sign up simply. Okay, so it should be centered, and we can also do it like make it in center. I want it in center. I want to make it in testing, and here we go. Here's our login screen. So we have done really simple steps, and in the next episode we will make screen more interactive using Figma prototype tools so button will actually work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. This is Ziyam from NanoCoders, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.